Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, GALA, just a quick update because not too much happened since yesterday's update, but I just wanted to emphasize that GALA is obviously in the danger zone. It has taken out all targets on the way down and basically reached our last target. This is the absolute last target that we had for a possible bullish scenario, the 1.9 cent level. Below 1.55 cents, this bullish setup in a 1-2 is going to be invalidated. I have to remind you again that at no point GALA confirmed to us in any way that a low has been made here. So on this entire way down, which started in March, 18th of March, we've been focused on the downside, especially here lately, where few people got already bullish because we had a bit of a rally, right? But I always want to emphasize, you need to understand the structure and the probabilities around the structure. This was a WXY correction to the upside, turned into a triangle, both bearish, and led to continuation to the downside. GALA broke below the 78.6 Fib level, which isn't good. When it did that, very relevant support, 2.56 cent level, mentioned that all the time. It literally crashed down. Found support at the last target we had, Fibonacci extension target, but it broke below all Fibonacci retracements which are reliable. Even on the log scale it did. Yeah, it touched on the log scale the 88.7 Fib level. What I can tell you is that GALA really needs to turn around now. I have no bullish prospects left if it takes out that last low, which was made at 1.81 cents. Yeah. No bullish prospects left. It will then most likely take out the December low, January low, and will head to new bear market lows. Yeah, and then it's all about, okay, until we see a signal, it's not interesting anymore. Yeah, it's gonna be bearish. And even now, I mean, I'm telling you now, I cannot confirm it has bottomed until I see an impulse, but now it still has a chance for the third wave rally, which in my opinion it doesn't have anymore if it makes one more low. Very, very important. Yeah, I mean, there's always a chance, but it's all about probabilities. You know, what could the market do is not so interesting. It's more what should the market do. So yeah, just be aware that until we see an impulse here, price, we have to expect another low, and that will most likely invalidate the overall bullish prospect, okay, of this chart, and will then turn it into something extremely unreliable. Because let's be honest, if price makes a new bear market low, it can just go to new lows, all-time lows. Yeah, it is without a signal. Then it is unclear, and well, it's bearish. Okay, so you can always short it, but that's entirely up to you how you handle that. This is only the analysis, and I don't give you financial advice. But yeah, just be aware of these relevant levels. So one more low, in my opinion, will lead to price taking out the 1.55 cent level, which is the December low, and then to new lows. And then obviously a logical support area would be 1 cent, but that's speculation because until we really have a signal, yeah, we can't really say that trend has shifted. So trend is still down in the short term. Nothing changed. Of course, price is oversold on the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. But until we really see positive impulses here, you know, with altcoins it's always difficult. With Bitcoin, I'm more confident and comfortable buying an oversold reading on the daily RSI, but only on the daily. With altcoins, it's always a bit, yeah, you generally expect a bounce, yeah. But until you really have a signal, even if it's on a smaller time frame, the trend is just down. Yeah, and especially if the 78.6 Fib level was broken. We did to a degree expect it to be broken because I highlighted to you that all these targets we had actually started below the 78.6 Fib level, which is why I added the 88.7, but it even broke below that and even briefly took out the very last target that we had to the downside. So yeah, at the very least for a reversal signal, I need to see an impulse above the wave 4 high, which is at 2.65 cents, and then we can talk. But until then, another low is preferred, but that would just obviously threaten the overall bullish scenario. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.